Triyogam Beginners Series, a prone flow. Alright everybody, let us begin the prone flow in Vajrasana. Slowly extend your both arms and come into child's pose and relax for a while. Inhale and come up. Exhale and come all the way to Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed staff pose, where your 8 limbs of your body rest on the ground. Inhale and come into Bhujangasana, gaze at the front, your arms are straight. As you exhale, slowly come into Chaturanga Dandasana, your whole body in a one line and try to engage your core. Slowly rest your body on the ground, hands by the side of your body. Inhale and lift your left leg, knee straight. Come into Adho Salabhasana. As you exhale, slowly bring your leg down. Inhale and other leg all the way up, knee straight. As you exhale, slowly bring it down. While inhaling, lift your body, extend your arms and come into Vashisthasana. Try to engage your core muscles. While exhaling, rest your knees on the ground and slowly open your knees wider as much comfortable from your side. And make sure your heels are facing each other. And slowly come into your elbows and all the way extend your hands and come into Mandukasana. From here, with the help of your hands, close your feet and your knees together. Come into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog pose. From here, inhale and raise your right leg all the way towards the sky. Make sure your knees are straight and your toes are pointing. Exhale and come into Chaturanga Dandasana, whole body in a one line. Inhale and come into Bhujangasana, arch your back. Exhale and come back to downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and raise your other leg, left leg all the way towards the sky, as much possible from your side. Make sure your toes are pointing and your knees are straight. As you exhale, come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Your whole body in a one line and engage your core muscles. Make sure your elbows are close to your rib cage. While inhaling, slowly come back to Bhujangasana. Gaze at the front. As you exhale, come into downward dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From here, bring your knees down, release your toes, and slowly relax in Shashankasana, child's pose. Just relax completely. Benefits of Beginners Series. Number 1. Brings flexibility to the back muscles, spine and develops mobility and power. Number 2. Tones and strengthens shoulders, legs, arms and wrists. Number 3. Brings rich blood supply to the pelvic region and hips. Number 4. Tones and balances functions of the liver. Number 5. Stimulates the digestive system.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Wanna say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.